Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your metal handrail kit, step by step. Before you begin, make sure you have all the parts from your package. Your kit includes metal tubes, handrail brackets, flush end caps, and set screws. If your kit includes more than one tube, you'll also receive a splicer to connect them. Start by marking the wall at regular intervals along the length of your stairs using a pencil. Make sure your marks are vertical to the pitch line. The recommended minimum height is 34 inches from the pitch line. Next, place the brackets on the wall to decide their height and position. Once you're happy with the placement, mark the screw holes with a pencil. Drill holes at the marked spots. Then, place the brackets back and loosely attach each one with a single screw. Now, rest the metal tube on the brackets to check the alignment and angle. When everything looks right, tighten the bracket screws securely. Attach the tube to the brackets using the set screws. Lastly, slide the flush end caps into each end of the tube. The steps to mark the handrail height and drill the holes are the same as in Part A. To connect two tubes, use the splicer. Insert the splicer halfway into both tubes, ensuring it is positioned evenly so that each tube has an equal length of the splicer inside. Once connected, repeat the same steps from Part A to complete your installation. And that's it! Your metal handrail is now fully assembled and ready to use. With just a few simple steps, your installation is complete.